Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mohammad Rayyan and today I am here to do debate on a splendid topic which is given to me by Akram sir. That is in the regard of college. That which college is better for the students and which would be better. Because in the among the students there is dilemma that in which college should we go, which college should we join. So today there won't be any kind of dilemma. Let's talk about the topic, that is open college versus regular college. So in my perception I will favor that open college, that is far better than regular college. Because first of all I want to mention about the government, that why the open colleges were executed. Actually, what was the purpose there, why the open colleges were executed? The purpose was different. Before 1962, actually what happened, that government observed so many things in India, that students, they were unable to study after the 12th class, and the literacy rates were very less. So government think that what is happening, that students, they are not studying after the 12th class, what is happening? So once in 1962 government executed a rule of the open university in 1962, and that was introduced by Delhi University in Delhi, you can say. Okay, when it was executed, so the population of the students of the admission, it began to increase more and more. Then government thought that it is beneficial when the population of the students and the admissions are increasing and the seats were less there. So again in 1968, in Punjab, in Rajasthan, again the colleges were executed. Then in 1969 Mysore, Meerut, and in 1982 also Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College, and in 1985 Indira Gandhi College, Open University. So did you see the benefits of the open colleges? When those were executed, so admissions began to increase there, and government thought that if before the regular college there were no open colleges, so students, they were not coming because they hadn't time, they means their background was not good. Because of the background, they were not going in a regular college. When the open colleges were executed, so most of the students, they joined open college and they began to study, as well as they handled their background also. So here I want to mention that the open colleges, those are also better than the regular colleges, because regular, just some people, not some, those students can go in a regular college who have their background good. So everyone should go to the college, that is possible in an open college. And open college gives you to opportunity to afford the education. That's all.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Alia, and today I'm very delighted to be here as I've been the favorable occasion to cooperate in this incredible debate. And today, the centerpiece of debate is regular college versus open college. Which colleges are better? In my point of views, I really believe that the regular colleges are far better than the open colleges. Why? Where you all are seeing and talking about the degrees and all, because in the regular college as well we get the same degree, and in the open college as well we get the same degree. But do you really think that the degree matters? Just the degree matters? Of course not. The degree is not everything. The most important thing, which is you all have forgotten, you didn't mention, that is enlightenment, which is really very important. And just in the open college, are we getting that? Of course not. We are not getting. Just in the open colleges, we are getting one thing. What's that? That is the degree. And the degree is not everything. We are, you know that in the regular colleges, we are getting enlightenment, and there will be the face-to-face interaction with the professors and with the students as well. And there will be the teachers will teach the practically, which is better. And I really can say that you cannot learn that thing which you can learn the face to face with your teacher. And it is the good thing, you know, that in the regular college just we do not get the enlightenment, even we get the good communication skill as well, because there we can talk to the professors, teachers who are really very educated, they have the manners to talk, they know everything. If we will talk to them, then just our communication skill will not improve, even our confidence also will increase. We will be aware of this world. And just here you are talking about that yeah, the wasting of time, wasting of money to go regular college. If we go to the regular college, then that is the wasting of time and wasting of money. when we use the mobile phone whole day, whole night, we roll out the reels. That is not wasting of time. We always do parties. We spend our money in the parties. That is not wasting of the money. But yes, if we are getting enlightenment, having spent that money, that is wasting of time. We are getting enlightenment, having spent our time, that is wasting of time. I really do not know that how can you think about these all the things. And as you were mentioning about the data you have taken, this much long list, that this college, that population, this much population. You know about the population, it's of your India, it is about your India. The population of India is really very high. It's not fault of the colleges, you know. Here I would say, in the open colleges, you can never be better. You can never get the enlightenment. Having learned by the open colleges, just you can get the degree. You can never crack any kind of exam. You can never pass any kind of interview because you do not have the enlightenment. You do not have the good communication skill. You do not have the confidence. But in the regular college, if you will learn by the regular college, then that will be better. You can be success in your life. You can give any kind of exam. You can pass any kind of interview.
Oh,
Exactly.
thank you so much, sister. After a long
You're
time.
most welcome.
Okay, my answer. She mentioned face-to-face interaction we can make with our professors, with our teachers. That's everyone knows that if we go regular, so professor will teach in front of us and we will make face-to-face interaction. Just if we are making face-to-face interaction in a regular college, so that is good. If we are going there daily, if we are communicating with the with the different kind of people, so just because of that you are admiring about the regular college. But I
No,
don't
just not because of that. I think
let me clear that I don't think that because of those things we can prove that the regular colleges are better. Here, in the light of all students, I am mentioning that the open colleges are also better, not because of the communicating. I am saying, suppose just regular colleges are there. If regular colleges are there, so the fees of the regular means everything is expensive there, exorbitant there, which the poor students cannot afford there. So if they cannot afford, just the rich people they can afford, and they can make their communication skills better. So what about the poor people? So what they will do in their life? Won't they make their communication skills? If there is a open college, so by which they can also they can also afford the education. That actually what is the education? And in an open college tells that distance of the education. It means if you are taking admission in an open college, so by sitting at your home you can study according to your schedule. Whenever you get time, you can study. Even this much opportunity the open college gives you, that if you are studious, if you want to study, so you can hire the digital devices from us and you can study by sitting at your home, and that is possible in a open college. And but that is not possible in a regular college. Regular college means needs some people, and who can afford the fees more.
Okay. So the poor people can buy the phones. They can sell their kidney for the phone. But they cannot go to the regular college because that is expensive. They will have to give the fees. But for the phone, yeah, they can do whatever they want. They can sell their kidney and many hard work they can do. Why? For getting the phone, because they need the phone. But if they have to be success, just whatever you are mentioning, that rich people and poor people, you know what, that there are many poor people who are learning in the regular college, who really work hard. If you want to study, then of course, why will you not do? You know that there are many poor people who are learning as well and who are earning as well. So, of course, the poor people also can afford if they want to learn, because they are getting the mobile phones, because they want the poor.